Jim, nice, nice, nice. Already some people here while it's not time, so that's perfect. You are more than on time. Great, great, great. Yeah, nice. Feel free to put on the chat where do you coming from. So some people are new there, but I can see a lot of faces so common for me. Um, Pretty nice. Ecuador, of course. Ecuador represented. Um, for me, I'm coming from France. You can hear that. Anyway, from Paris. Oh, yes. We already know each other. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Hi, Setsu.
Hey guys, what's up? Hello.
Pretty good, pretty good. On top, on top. So, oh, the meeting is capped at 100 people. So if
Ah,
some
cool, cool.
people are complaining into the chat, you know why. I will put probably just a disclaimer. Um, what is the passcode? Oh shit. Uh, wait. um, of course, of course, of course. Wait. Alors, reply. Hop. Good, good for it. Um, stacks. I put differences. Okay, so the meeting is all good. Um, so when we will be 100, I will start. Because I know like we will not wait more people. So that's why. All right.
Cool.
From Honduras. Oh, pretty good. Sweden. Wow. Costa Rica.
Kenya.
California. Oh, you can say United States. That's the reality. It's the same. In France we like saying I'm coming from Paris, but like it's France. USA, yeah, Peru, Nigeria, Dubai, tac, everywhere, Buenos Aires, in Argentina. I am actually in Buenos Aires, by the way. So if you are going sometimes to the Aleph Hub, you can see me. We'll be happy to see you there. All right. So in four people waiting
Yeah.
for four more people, and I'm good. We are on time. Um, yes. So actually in this call there is like Spanish, French, and English as well. Because it's like the kickoff. So that's why. But you will have your proper link depending on your language after. Um, expect no, I can. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. All right, so we are full. So it's time to start. So thanks for joining. So it would be like 10 intensive day for you to learn about building on base. So probably just to introduce myself a bit. So I'm the founder of DevTrueback, which like the goal is to onboard women and students coming from Web2 development first. to switch into Web3. And I'm also based ambassador, especially in France, because I'm French. But to be honest, I'm Kinda Global Ambassador. You must know why. Um, yeah, because I'm not only in France. I spend all my time abroad, so that's why. Probably C2 if you want to introduce yourself before.
Yeah, sure. So hey guys, I see a lot of GMs in the chat and a lot of reactions, which is good. I hope like we can just keep that energy for the 10 days of base building and everything. So my name is Sethuraman. I'm the co-founder of Web3 Compass, and I'm from India, Kerala, basically. But yeah, like we've been preparing a ton of stuff, and I mean a ton of stuff for you guys. Videos, guides, all the kind of things. So it's going to be fun. Like it's going to be absolutely fun for the next 10 days. Like, all the building, like I can't wait to see all the cool stuff that you're going to build because we are going to put out some really cool content that you can experiment with. So yeah, super excited. I think like my co-founder Sneha, she should also have been here. Like she was engaged with some other stuff, but yeah, so she will join us eventually. So don't worry. Super excited, and yeah, let's kick off this whole thing. Let's go.
Yeah, so which is exciting is like the first time like based as as officially an educational program like for building on base with like bootcamp like this but also like async challenges which is the nice things like if you want to build and repeat something like this. So I will just share my screen for wait for introducing first of all probably base batches, and then I will go into the folding thing, etc., etc. So let me share my screen. Base batches. All good? I think so. All right. So who know about base batches first? Feel free to react on the chat. Probably I'm doing mistake when I'm writing because I'm bad in English. Okay. All right, all right. Oh, so you know. All right. So actually, first of all, probably you can already register to base batches. So scan this QR code, and I will introduce what is that just after. All good? One, two, three. All right. Um, so it's like a top funnel program because usually the thing what happen with the ecosystem is like lack of top funnel things like top funnel program. When I say top funnel program is like education, building with hackathon, and then after that acceleration, mentorship and everything. So usually ecosystem like just doing hackathon. And remove all the other parts, or it's like kinda different things. So the goal with base batches is like providing all these things like education with us typically, um, hackathon, and then acceleration. So the goal, you can participate into base batches with the builder track if you don't have a project yet or just starting this one, or also like the startup track. So the startup track is more for advanced projects who are looking for to already accelerate and not build something new. So basically for the builder track, up to 100 team will integrate one Incubase. So what is Incubase is like um, I think it's around 2 weeks or 3 weeks acceleration program, mentorship program to make sure you you will reach the good good market fit with your product, literally. Reviewing this one, having some feedback about it, and also being prepared for a demo day. So what is the demo day is literally being in front of investors, but like already the top one in the industry. But so that require a kinda some preparation, and so in Incubase, there is some mentor who will be available to help you. Like for example, on the season one, I was one of the mentor for Incubase. So there is like different kind of mentor depending of your specialty as well, like DeFi, social, and stuff. All right. So the first 100 best team will got this cash prize to start really accelerating the projects, and also probably got selected to get access to the network school. So if you don't know about it, I know a couple of you already made it, but it's like an island near Singapore where you have everything for you. For food, like a space to make some sports, accommodation, etc. But also like it's a space where you connect with founders from all over the world. So that's why it's called Network School. And so you have access to master's class, specific workshops about different topics, and go. So all these kind of things to just accelerate your journey. So actually for just to let you know, the guy in charge of network school was the former CTO of Coinbase. So you will have the chance to talk with him if you are in it. Anyway, another thing is about resource credits, so which is an important thing, because all the costs behind this thing are costing a lot. And so the fact that Coinbase and Base like supporting all these things for you is a game changer. Last time I talked, for example, when I built like a DeFi protocol, wow, the audit was pretty high. I mean, it's require a lot of funds. You can count at least 30K literally to make an audit. So don't negligent this kind of support, literally. And then you will get also the opportunity to pitch in US next year. So I think it's gonna be in Denver in February maybe, um, something like this. So I will let you know about it later. And yeah, the last thing is you don't know about it, but for example, if you are on Forecaster or on Base, sometimes you will earn rewards and you don't know where that's coming from, but literally that's just coming from the fact that you are building on Base, which is nice. You are earning money without knowing that. All right. So actually, we are preparing for you as base batches preparation, which is 10 days intensive days. As I mentioned, it's the first time there is an initiative like this into base ecosystem. So this one will be in English, in Spanish, and in French. So for each, in fact, uh, these days, these first days will be async. And so basically wait, I just want to share. Um, Okay. Here, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see. Here we put like, for example, day one, because like the first challenge is today. So you will get access to support here if you need anything. Like just ask for help there. And then when other days will come up, we will add like day two, day three, blah 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 blah. All right, all good. And so what will happen after these first days? We will provide live session for day 6, day 7, and day 8. Because it's this one where you will have to build a mini app. And so building mini apps is actually the most, one of the most, wait, oh, yeah. The most important things to build a viral project. And so we were thinking that providing help on this area, especially like an office hour, will be nice. Of course, during this office hour, you can also add for question on these things or ask on the Telegram group for sure. All good. But the mini apps concept is something super important if you want to make it for the base batches, because on base batches, um, they will check how many users you have and everything to deliver also prices. So that means more you are building mini apps, more great is that. And so we will provide at this moment invitation for at getting access to Forecaster and Base App, which is important because otherwise you can't build mini app. So yeah, just to go through the curriculum. So we have on the day one today, more like you're gonna create your first smart contracts. So actually the thing is, every time when you want to do a challenge, you have also like a video to help you to complete it. And so Setsu will talk about the process just after, so I will not go to it actually. So you have like all the things that you will learn every day front end with OnChainKit. So basically OnChainKit is already integrating all blockchain interaction, so you don't need properly to create another I mean, if you want, for example, to just swap things, you can integrate directly the swap components and you don't need to recreate this one. So you will explore these things. Also smart wallets, because it's also super important right now to have this notion of onboarding smart wallet and everything. Then day four is about how to make your app more accessible. Like for example, you are into a game, you want to I don't know, avoid people just clicking every time and have to confirm a transaction. For example, if you have session, the thing is you don't have to ask every time to sign a transaction. You can just do it one time and get access. Like the people will get access during a limited time to all the you can click on the button and don't need to sign anymore. I mean. So there's a couple of features like this that are important to integrate into during for your projects with base batches, because they don't want to have like mm, um, a classic app. They want to integrate core base features, and so we are providing all the help about it. So probably same thing, like it's super important to know how to connect your smart contract to your front end, so you will heard about it. This thing is it's general. I mean, it's, it's the same thing for our ecosystem, of course, but at least you know properly how to do it. And here it's all about mini apps. So we'll do a lot of things, how to set up a mini app, what is the strategy to go viral, for example, how to build a leaderboard, fetch specific profile, etc. As I mentioned, we have a video, but also we are providing specific support, um, uh, live one for these days. This one, day 8, is like extra features. So, for example, I'm always taking this example. On Base, on Farcaster, you have the possibility to integrate AI agent into it to, like, for example, you have like a group of friends, you are making a trip in New York, you can integrate an AI agent on top of it, and then this AI agent will split the cost between everyone, for example. So you have this kind of things that you can add on top of your mini app to make it more friendly. Then cross-chain with Chainlink and Layer 0. So to make sure this interoperable with other ecosystem as well. And then at the end, you will have to build and ship your app. So on the Telegram, I put project ideation. So the goal is like here, you can drop your idea, you can find also teammates for your project, which is something nice. And also if you have any kind of idea, I'm happy to review it with Web3 Compass team. to check if like it's something feasible, if it's relevant, etc., etc. Because we know pretty well the ecosystem, so we know what to build and what to not build. And here, wait, it's I think it's here. I have like two things to show you. So this docs, where you can find a lot of mini apps ID. Wait, it's yeah, it's pretty slow. You can find some mini apps IDs that have been not built yet. So feel free to to take a look at it. It's like golden resources. And another golden resources is this one, which is like different project that has been already built before. So you have code example and inspiration, and it's like um, great to see which one has a potential and which one are not potential. And a lot of project here didn't being continued into the ecosystem, so you can just check the stack, like if there is something that can be relevant for you, you can take a look at their code, etc., etc. So that you can just save a lot of time. Another thing I wanted to say is build something that is um, relevant for you. I mean, something that you will use daily, something that is matching with your personality. Don't build like a running application if you are not running, for example, because you will be your first user. So you have to promote it. And actually, mini apps is the best way to get your first 1,000 users, literally, because you can build a community around it. You can also use literally this Basecamp to um, like everyone trying things each other's. Um, and just the last thing I wanted to mention is about get funded. So here there's like three ways at your stage. I mean, builder grants. So it's something that you can be contacted one day by the base team, and the thing is we are close to the base team, so we can help you if the project is relevant, because otherwise we don't want to push. Builder rewards, so as I mentioned, is like every week, like some people are rewarded but they don't know about it. And base batches, so what I present just before. All right. There is also some retro funding, so you can get a lot of things when you think of building long term. Really, really think about it. Like, if you are building something, it's not like for farming. It's not. It's really like because you believe on what you're building and you want to push that on the long term perspective. Actually, it's literally the only thing that Base is looking for builders is people who are building long term, whatever the projects. Yeah. Yes, I can give you the slide for sure. All good. So Setsu, if you want to take the lead, feel free.
Yeah, sure. I mean, that was quite extensive, and I think you pretty much covered everything. I'll just, go over the whole syllabus that we have prepared. So let me ask you, like, I don't see many GMs and stuff. What happened to the chat? So, is there any first-time devs here, like, the ones who are joining such a cohort for the first time? Anyone? Okay, I see one. Okay, cool, cool. Oh, wow, this is good. Awesome. What about like hardcore devs, like people who are like, yes, I've built like a couple of cool applications. Anybody who's like a vibe coder? Me, of course. Everybody is a vibe coder nowadays, so it's fine. Serial vibe coder, okay. I don't know what that means, but it sounds, yeah. Uh, okay, yeah. I mean, blockchain developers, of course. Right. I have Solana data. I mean, that's good. Anything goes. That's fine. And how many of you want to be founders? Maybe the long run. Maybe you know, sometime next year, the year after. Ah, there you go. Now the chat is alive. When you hear the word founder, now the chat is alive. That's awesome. See, yes, I mean, I know, like, we have covered the whole applications that you're going to build and everything, and we just gave you a rundown of all the calendars and stuff. But when you look at it, like, this is basically a base batches preparation. Like the Web3 Compass team, we have prepared the 10 days of base, but it all leads to base batches preparation. So when you look at the whole funnel, this can be like, if done right, this can actually be a founder funnel. I mean, you will learn everything that you need to build on base. um, you get to set yourself up for the base batches. You have time to ideate, you have time to meet people, build together, come up with the project, and then go ahead with base batches, which if all goes well, gets you to your founder mode. So the whole idea is, like, when you think about it, this is basically yours. Maybe, like, if all goes well, this is the start of your founder journey, right? And I see, like, for something that could be truly greatly impactful, I think the chat is a bit, you guys need to be more active on the chat, I guess, because we might be talking to, or we might be in chat with future founders and stuff. So yeah. Anyway, I'll give you a brief tour. Like, oh, somebody is like shilling themselves so hard. I like it. Yes, please text him on TG. I think he wants to build a group and build a project. So yeah, let me just try and share the screen first. Just let me know if it is visible. Uh, yes, can you guys see the screen?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. So yeah, so the whole idea is, like I said, I'm the co-founder of Web3 Compass, and so a bit about myself. I have like almost 5 years of experience in Web3, and I was mostly working as a research and development engineer and also developer evangelist. And Web3 Compass is basically our attempt to streamline the whole process of learning Web3. The thing is, like, I know it can get a lot confusing with all the jargons, all the terms, everything. So rather than just throwing a tutorial at you guys, we thought, like, okay, maybe we can create some structured paths so that people can actually pick things up. So you can go to the website, like the calendar that Suleen just showed. That's actually part of the Web3 Compass website. It's yes, Windsurf. I just updated to the latest version. So yeah. So yeah, just go to the Web3 Compass website, web3compass.xyz, and you can go to the campaign section. Like, we are already running our 30 days of solidity, and you have the base batches preparation. So if you click on it, you will see the whole 10-day curriculum, or all the things that you're going to build. Now, the thing is, we have designed it in such a way that the first 5 days, you'll be picking up the basics. Now, I mean, basics as in not like, learning how, I mean, you will see how to deploy a contract, but our basics are a bit different from, the typical basics. Like, here, basics means you're going to learn how to build front end with on-chain kit. You're going to learn how to do gasless transactions, or, how to create sub accounts and all those smart wallets and all those kind of things. So the first 5 days, it's relatively easy. So the thing is, you will you will get a video. Like, if you go to our YouTube channel, you can just click on this YouTube link, and I'll just share it. So we have released the first video, like you can see it right here, like 10 days of base, day one. So this will be your intro, just and for the next 10 days, every day we will be posting videos or solutions for each of the days. So for the first 5 days, you guys can go through each of the challenges. You can see what it is, maybe do a bit of exploring around, researching around, try to build it. And if you have built it, good, good for you. Like, you guys nailed it. But if you need any help, we will be putting out videos which you can use as reference and build along. And the thing is, we also have a platform called subscribe, thank you. We also have a platform called DevBase, which is something that we are piloting. DevBase is also, the whole idea of DevBase is to actually help you guys quantify your impact. Like, we know that we want to build a lot of stuff, we want to put out our work, we want to see, like, we want the ecosystems to see the kind of impact that we have. based on our building, and not on the crypto Twitter tweeting, but just the actual building that happens on your GitHub and stuff. So we have this platform called DevBase. So what you guys can do is you can just sign up with your GitHub, and as soon as you sign up, you will get, based on all your GitHub activities, you will get your impact score, which is basically an initial score based on your current activities. Like you can obviously post more stuff or interact with the community more and increase your impact. So every day what happens is, once you complete the challenge and once you have your Git repo for the whole thing that you have created, you can go to DevBase and you can submit your repository, right? Like I'll just show you a quick demo. So you can just, uh, you know, in DevBase, all you have to do is just click on that. Okay, yeah, the screen is still visible, right? So there is this submit repository. Just click on it, and yeah, you can put a. Oh wait, is it a private repo? Wait, let me get a bit more. Yeah, okay. Okay. Right. So yeah, I think there is an issue with checking. Okay. So this was an old. Don't mind the brownie thing. I know it's extinct, but one of my old repos. So yeah. Uh, so you can just submit it right here, and you can check all the things like all the areas that you are covering with your application, all the protocols that you are using, like Ethereum or Base or all those things, and you can just basically tag all the tools that you're using, React, Remix, whatever. So all this counts to your impact that you're making, Solidity, all those languages and everything. And once you do, uh, what you can do is you can just directly submit it to a campaign. Like we have the base batches preparation campaign there. So you can select it and you can submit it to the campaign so that we get to see the submissions. And the thing is, with the campaigns, like if you go to the campaigns page, we are also giving away a lot of cool badges for your profile, because the thing is, like, this will get added to your whole developer profile. Like once we see that you have built a cool app that can be the best full stack app of the entire campaign, we will give you this badge. Best social, most viral mini app, we have the top builder badge. So all these things are up for grabs. All you have to do is just sign up to DevBase and just start contributing your repositories. So the idea is pretty simple. For the next 10 days, you can just visit the web3compass.xyz page. You can go to the base patches preparation, click on each day to get an idea of what we are trying to build that day. You can explore on your own, try to build it on your own, and put out the GitHub repository. You can share it in your Telegram and stuff. We will be sharing the video as a reference for you guys to build. Like we have the day one video in our channel. You can go check it out. And once you have your repository, you can just come to DevBase, post the whole thing on DevBase. Like I'll put out a video on how to do it. Like you can just post the repository. It will show up on our timeline. Like everybody can see it. All the different stuff that you guys are building, and it will basically put you on the leaderboard, like based on your impact. And also you get to track all the tech that you're building, how many people are, if you click on Solidity, you will see all the people who are building there. So it's a direct way to quantify your impact on the tech, on the ecosystem and everything. So yeah, this is the general idea. The whole thing is to help you guys build stuff on Base, build a solid profile, and make sure that you are ready. Like I saw that a lot of guys um, are pretty much ready to go founder mode. So this can be your first step, like ideate, build, share, let other people know, and just build something cool. So if you have any questions or doubt, you can always reach out to us. Like we'll be in the Telegram. I think I'll share our socials too. You can follow us there. Yeah, we are pretty much everywhere. We don't sleep. We don't have a life. We are just full time trying to get people onboarded to Web3. So yeah, in case you guys have any questions or doubts, feel free to reach out. Yeah, I mean, Most of us don't, so don't worry. So yeah, so that's it from my end. You guys can just ask your questions and queries there or Telegram. So yeah, I
Yeah,
guess
I think I will send like an email with recap about how the submission
yeah,
process is working to make
right,
sure you
yeah,
can submit your first challenge. Um, and if you are stuck somewhere, as Setu said, like you can go to the video and check how things are working in
exactly,
Dortmund. So
exactly,
yeah, um, it's more first to push you doing things yourself, and then after that it's more the process, and then after that check the solution. Yeah.
exactly.
All right. Do you have any question? So actually, the first challenge is live. So you can take a look at it, made it, and as I mentioned, so on the chats, we are providing help in Spanish, in French, and English. So there is like different chat for everyone. And so you can just ask by day I mean your help, the what you want. All right. What UTC rules for? Oh, so actually, it's live at which, like, I mean, when you put the video at which time of the day you on.
Yeah, so it's around 7 IST, so 7 p.m. IST, which is let me see. I mean, the conversion is a bit. You just let me know which is convenient. Like I put it at like 7 p.m. IST, so UTC is around. Just let me check.
So the active challenges are on
Oh, 1:30, 1:30 p.m. So it's around afternoon UTC.
we
Just let me know if the timing works.
um just for the challenges. So here we put the dates. So actually the first challenge is October 14th, so today, and then tomorrow
Yeah,
day two, etc., etc. And then we will finish on 23. So the hackathon um base batches is wait, the end is on 24. Um So be conscious about it. Yeah, cautious, and make sure that your application will reach criteria. More you are using um, base properties like on-chain kit, smart wallets, base accounts. This thing, more your application, your project will be on the top. And to be honest, it's really feasible to be on the 101. No reason. It's feasible like if you are just following the rules. Because some projects are just here for farming the hackathon and don't follow any rules. Um, so literally it's really, really possible. 5K. But also, like, as I mention every time, it's not just about rewards, it's mostly first about learning, and then rewards will come later. Yeah. All right. Wait. Let me check the chat. Since we're deploying on base, how can we get base testnet for the? Yeah. um. Did you send the base faucet? Wait. Um. Yes, I will send the base faucets.
So yeah, if you go to the Coinbase developer platform, just sign up, and they have a faucet that you can use for Base Sepolia. So just sign up to the Coinbase developer platform. I think I'll just give you the link. Yeah, and they have a faucet there. So yeah, because you're going to need this. Like a lot of our tutorials are based on like the developer platform, like Paymasters, all those things. So they have a faucet there which you can use.
Yeah, probably I will add like something on the wait. I will create a topic
Okay.
faucet support. Um, wait, please get faucets. Uh, this this net can here. Um, yep.
I think we also need a channel for social shilling. I see a lot of you guys just sharing Twitter and everything. So yeah,
Social, show your work. Yeah, with
just
DevTools
shill all your.
one, but yeah, I will. I just created for for here as well. I will do it in Spanish and French too. Wait, all right. Um, okay, all good. Any question? Are you ready? Oh, let's take a peek, please. Wow, 100. It's time to take a peek, you know. Yeah, nice. We want to see 100 faces. Ah, coucou. I will say 1, 2, 3 when I take the pic. Right now, we're gonna wait a bit. Wow. Insane. All right. 5 more people. Well, let's. Oh, yeah, there is like two. Wow. Wow. How can I put everyone? Oh, I can't. I will take 2 pics then. All right. So feel free to react, put some reaction. I will take a pic. So 1, 2, 3. Yes, nice. Wait for the second batch. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. We are good. Nice. Quite exciting. So yeah, when you finish the challenges, the first one, feel free to put it on Twitter. Like really build on public as well is like one of the things that will save yourself into the ecosystem. So literally think about it, support each other, and yeah, the first session, live session, like this, will be on 18 in Spanish and in English because in French it's like just before. All right, all good. We are ready. All right, so let's kill that then. Tschüss. Bye bye.